So I got this routed all the way for you guys. Think about the record track. The record track has compression, this limiter, and the EQ. So if I want to, I can click this and I can hit post effects, and it's literally going to record my voice. Like y'all see me with this mic in my hand. This is a custom Katika eyeball. They sent it to me. I kept promoting them. So shout out to Katika, shout out to Auto-Tune, shout out to FL Studio for sending me a signature bundle. Shout out to every company that's rocking with J Beats.